We had a country, we had a city, but the most important is, we had a challenge. Our challenge was to take an apartment block in South Chicago and create an energy-efficient design to decrease the energy consumption and increase its sustainability. This project is aimed to help the residents of the building and the overall sustainability of the city. In order to complete the challenge, we came up with 5 design evaluation criteria points to guide our design process to an outstanding solution. These 5 points were: increasing the efficiency without increasing the rent. The design has to withstand the climate. It has to fit inside the building without incurring big structural changes. It has to be quick and easy to install. And it has to look good, or at least preserve the beauty of the building. Firstly, we researched the average American family energy consumption. This came out as 10,000 kilowatt-hours per year, only in electricity, which constitutes 35% of the overall energy consumption. After weeks of teamwork, research and brainstorming, the team came up with the ultimate solution. This solution implements 6 different technologies. Solar energy. We will use photovoltaic panels to power the building and this way lower the residents' energy bill. They look good, they are efficient in all climates, and they have a low payback time. After doing research on the installing area available and the power of the average PV panels, we found out that installing them on the roof will mean a decrease of almost 40% in the annual electric bill of the residents, and also an increase of the sustainability of the building. Insulation. This is the most important part of our design. We have planned to use cellulose insulation for the walls and roofs, as it is composed of 80% recycled paper and has great insulating properties as well as low cost. To increase the insulation even more, we will include double glazed windows and drop-proof systems on doors. These will increase the building aesthetics, its efficiency with respect to gas usage, and will help the building to withstand cold and hot climates. Lighting. One of the most efficient ways to increase the electricity efficiency is to improve the lighting. Our team came up with the idea of using LED lighting for the individual units and fluorescent tubes to illuminate the big common areas. The LED and fluorescent lighting, plus the implementation of timers in the common areas, will decrease the electricity consumption by over 20,000 kilowatts-hour annually. Enough energy to supply 2 households for a year. With this change, we can even think of a future project to convert the building into a self-power unit. Finally, the smart meter. The implementation of the smart meter will be quick, easy, and at no cost, as most of the energy companies are installing them for their clients for free. This will give the residents a higher control on their own energy consumption in real time and will ease the implementation of solar panels and also more efficient smart technologies in the future. After the implementation of these technologies, the building will be one of the most efficient buildings in the area and will be an incentive to others to try to do the same. And that's not all. Our financial estimations says that the total cost of the solution will be around $280,000 for the whole building. Taking into account the energy savings per year will be around $90,000. We calculated the payback to be between 3 and 4 years. And this is without the grants and incentives given by the government that could even decrease the cost of the project by up to 60%. This is our solution. This is us, Green Beans Energy Experts.